Kua Khao Khem. Now say that 3 times. Stir-fried sticky rice is a recipe I created because who doesn't love sticky rice mixed with pork belly and sausages? This dish gives you the salty and sweet flavors in one aromatic bite. It is a perfect dish to eat with all your other favorite Lao dishes. Sabaydi Pinang, hi fam, welcome back to Saeng's Kitchen. Today's dish has me in the holiday spirit, so we are making Kua Khao Khem, stir-fried sticky rice filled with pork belly, sausages, a lot of different aromatics, and so this dish will complement your very Lao holiday meal. In this dish, we are also adding ABC Sweet Soy Marinade dip and sauce. We have partnered up with them to invite you all to enter their contest where you can win up to a $500 gift card, and all you have to do is make something creative with their sauce, post it up on social media, and then I'll also link you all below to more of the details of this contest. With all this talk about food, I'm hungry, so let's go ahead and get cooking. The first thing you want to do is get your sticky rice ready. So go ahead and grab your sticky rice, put it into a large bowl, and rinse it under warm water 3 times to remove all that starch. And then add really hot water, and you're gonna let this sit in the hot water for at least 1 hour so that it starts its cooking process. Once our sticky rice is ready to cook, let's prepare the Chinese sausages. So I'm gonna cut these into really thin strips. And these sausages are really fatty, and that's what I like about them. So when you put them in with the sticky rice to cook, all that fat's just gonna cook all around the rice and glaze it. So that's gonna be a really nice touch to this dish. I'm using a regular steamer, so since the holes are fairly large in the steamer, I used some aluminum foil and then made some small holes and then put that inside the steamer. And then I added the sticky rice and then the bits of sausages in there and mixed it around. And then you're gonna go ahead and steam it for 30 minutes. You're gonna flip it halfway through and then check on it after 30 minutes. While the rice is steaming, let's go ahead and prepare our aromatics. So go ahead and dice up the pepper, lemongrass, galangal, shallot, and garlic. Add all those ingredients into a mortar and pestle, and this is where you want to turn it into a rough paste, so go ahead and start smashing. And then we're going to put the paste to the side. Let's grab a medium pan and put it over high heat. Once the pan is hot, go ahead and add your diced pork belly, and you want to render the fat, and it's going to take about 4 to 5 minutes. After the fat is rendered, go ahead and take out the pork belly pieces, and then you want to add all your sugar right into the pork belly fat, and that's going to help caramelize everything. And so you want to watch this carefully. Once it is caramelized, go ahead and add your lemongrass paste, and you want to saute this for about 30 to 1 minute, and that's going to get all those flavors out of the aromatics. Now we want to make the sauce, so go ahead and add the water, and that's going to stop the cooking process. Then add some fish sauce, and then the ABC Sweet Soy, and then mix it all together, and then you can taste to adjust, but be careful because it is hot. Once it's simmering, go ahead and add diced oyster mushrooms, and you're gonna let this cook in there on low heat for about 1 minute so the oyster mushrooms really soak up all those flavors. So if you time this right, your sticky rice should be done. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab all my sticky rice and the sausages and put it right into the pan. And then you're gonna carefully mix it all together. Make sure that the sticky rice starts absorbing all those flavors and juices. And so you wanna coat this, mix it around. Once it's well mixed, go ahead and put the pork belly back in and then do a few pinches of white pepper powder. All right, you can go ahead and turn off the heat and then go ahead and carefully put this into a bowl. And on the top, I like to put a little bit of cilantro and then garnish it with some fried shallots. And there you have it, Kua Khao Khem, stir-fried sticky rice, really fast, really easy. Now I'm gonna come up right to the front and eat it in front of y'all because I know you want to see that and also enjoy it with me. All right, y'all, so here is my Kua Khao Khem stir-fried sticky rice. It just came fresh off the stove. I can just smell all those aromatics fused into the rice and all that pork belly and sausage fat just drenched in the sticky rice. Let's give it a try. That galangal is amazing. These are like my perfect combination: sticky rice, pork fat, and a lot of aromatics. This dish is so good. I would definitely push the stuffing to the side and have this as my stuffing. I hope you all enjoyed learning how to make Kua Khao Khem stir-fried sticky rice. This is definitely a dish that I'm gonna make every year during the holidays, and it's gonna be a tradition. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite holiday dish is to make, and I'll see you all next time on Saeng's Kitchen. Bye!